Hi, it's Garret Wong for Upper Edge Property Management, and in this week's video I'm going to be answering a question that a lot of clients come into our office and ask, particularly when they're newer and they don't exactly understand our owner statements or our financial statements. So the question is, what is prepaid rent? I guess it's a phenomenon specific to our accounting software. Obviously, we're not running our company on Excel spreadsheets, and as I've said in previous videos, our software is date-driven. It's professional accounting property management software that has been extensively customized for our company. But when I say date-driven, we're talking about that reporting period, the 1st to the 31st of the month. Prepaid rent occurs when a resident has paid their rent twice in 1 month. Let's say somebody pays their rent on the 1st of the month, and then they make another rental payment on the 29th of the month or even the 30th of the month. Let's say the 1st of the month was for July's rent and the 28th payment was for August rent, but the system doesn't know that. The system sees two rental payments in a single time period, let's say $1,200 and $1,200. So the system sees $2,400 received in a given month. The system, as good as it is just a computer. So at the end of the month, when we do our owner statements and processing that draw to the investor for their net income, the computer, the software, is simply going to say what is in the trust account, what is the reserve that we hold back for repairs and for security deposit, and then I am going to be giving the rest to the investor and cutting a check for the online banking process. That might be good and well for the investor. Maybe they have a little bit more money to spend that month. However, we're trying to run or assist the investor to run a month-to-month business. That's what long-term buy and hold rental investment is really all about, where you have your rental income coming in and you want your monthly expenses like your property tax, your insurance, your mortgage payment. So if we had $2,400 go out to an investor in a single month, guess what? The following month, there's no rental income going to that investor. If they spend that money, then they have nothing left over for their property tax or mortgage payments. So what our system does is it flags that prepaid rent. So that rental payment on the 28th of the month will be flagged as prepaid rent. Prepaid rent, it obviously has to show on the accounting statement, and then it applies that rental income to the following month. That has other obvious advantages in that if we had given, or if the software had given out the entire $2,200 in the single month, and there's a repair that has to happen, even that the investor has approved, like a routine maintenance, cosmetic repair, now there's no rental money in the account to pay for that $300, $400, $500 repair. Now we have to have a cash infusion from the investor. So it's just a lot more work, a lot more interactions for really no reason at all. In this modern day of computing, we do have the accounting software that holds it back automatically. But again, you will see that prepaid rent allocation line on your owner statement, on your net income operating statement. So again, accounting is very difficult to speak about on a video. If you have any questions, by all means, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to go through it with you. Thanks for watching today.